He's saying that the videography is proof that none of the thumbnails were actually clicked. Because if they were clicked, there would be noise or sound to the video that would be recorded in the 40 minutes.
No, did you tell the DIG who showed it to you that you are not showing the videos?
Let me answer that, Mulas. That's not the job, Mulas, of the deputy.
No, did you ask?
No, I don't have to ask, Mulas. But
That is secondary. You come to that.
yes.
Did you ask? Whether you should ask or not, that is secondary.
Your Lordship, I was supplied the 29th September video. And at that point, because of how distressed I was, I just took the video. And I thought, all right, actually.
No, ask her not to disturb.
It has been consistently stated by the petitioner as reflected in several representations and communications made by the detainee to the authorities and advisory board stating from 7/10 to 22/10, as well as repeated requests and communications of petitioner on 12/10 and 16/10, that those 4 videos which are part of an extra day were never supplied and shown to the detainee till 23rd of October. This has been our constant refrain. The case of the petitioner, that though a pen drive was supplied, no laptop was supplied. It is now alleged by the state, which contention is not part of their pleadings, that the DIG police came with a laptop and allegedly showed the 4. This is not part of their pleading, but be that as it may, brothers. Showed the 4 videos to the detainee, which has been the case of the detainee throughout, that no laptop was provided to him, and this fact is not denied. The laptop was provided to the detainee finally on 5/10. When the laptop was provided, the detainee discovered that the pen drive given to him on 29/9 did not contain the 4 videos. It is consequent upon the representations made to the jail authorities and the advisory board by the detainee and the petitioner that they still had no access to the 4 videos. Circumstances clearly demonstrate that the respondent's position is inconsistent with the material on record, and the respondent is now making out a case contrary to the counter affidavit.
This pen drive, was it given to the petitioner?
Yes. Yes.
Petitioner.
On 7th October.
Not earlier.
No.
Which we submitted to court.
Which we submitted to court last time. That's given to us on 7th October.
The 4 videos are not.
And the 4 videos are not there.
The pen drive.
The pen drive given to us. And if they were there and I've deleted it, it will be reflected there. So that's Mullah's.
The letter is now.
Will you now allow me to Now, Mullahs, I made another argument, Your Lordships. Let's assume what they are saying is right, which is contrary to the record. They showed it to me. That's not the requirement of the law. The requirement of the law is to give me the document. So, assuming they showed it to me, let's assume for the matter of fact that they showed it to me, that's not enough. They have to provide the document to me. And I don't have to ask for it. I gave Your Lordships that judgment. That I don't have to ask for the document. It's their constitutional duty to supply it. So even with the contention that they showed it to me, which we say is wrong, there is a violation of 22(5). That's what I wanted to show. And we've said that time and again, which is reflected at page 118-19 of the amended writ, that these 4 were never supplied. So that's my argument on 4. Then even assuming without admitting that DIG showed the detainee the 4 videos, that's not enough for the purpose of the detainee right to make a representation. Then the actual videos themselves were supplied, which as stated by the detainee were supplied to him on 23/10. It is therefore quite clear there has been a violation of the detainee's right of representation that there was non-supply of the most proximate videos 24/9, 11/9, 10/9. Furthermore, detainee was not afforded any opportunity to make a representation. I've said on it. Now, the important thing is detainee never provided with an effective opportunity. That we've already said. So that takes care of that. Then 6, it's settled law that supply of grounds for the purposes of so-and-so can only be complete if it's accompanied by all the documents or materials on which the grounds are based. In the absence of the same, so it has to be accompanied with. You can't show me, supposing Mullahs in a detention order, forget this. In another detention order, you just show me the detention order and come to court. I showed it to him so he can make a representation. What will Your Lordship say? That's not enough. We've already said that the 4 letters we wrote, can't keep on repeating now. The attorney has never made any statement, speech, or involved in any act abetting, provoking, or conspiring to endanger sovereignty and integrity of India. Respondent has repeatedly relied upon false, distorted statements which were never made by the detainee to support their allegation that the detainee was involved in abetting, provoking, and conspiring to endanger the sovereignty and integrity. The respondent has falsely stated that the detainee provoked people to come out like Gen Z. Completely false. This is entirely false and contrary to the material on record in the video relied upon by the detaining authority dated 24/9, recorded at 5 p.m. after the incident. The detainee clearly expressed worry and concern about the youth resorting to violent means. Furthermore, on 10/9/25, detainee only made a reference to Nepal, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka in reference to the earlier speaker's remarks and never as an endorsement of comparison.
Already you made those submissions.
Yes, I made those submissions. Yes.
So already you have in detail made all these submissions.
My
That's
problem
how
is
it's
the
violated.
enthusiasm of my learned friend.
We could hear it. You said, you told her, we can't repeat everything. whatever.
One last point. Tushar said, but rest of all this, once you were arrested, there was peace. The fact is that.
But as my learned friend said, once it was arrested, there was peace. That was the point he made. Fact is, there is curfew till today.
And then any number of arrests.
Anyway, leave that out. That's not. Anyway, Malas, really, I've made all my submissions. All you have to do now is to look at that, Malas.
No.
And I sincerely feel, Malas, once they give another document, we'll have to reply to that document. That's not wrong.
That can't be unending.
Yes,
So
I'm obliged.
your reply was 7 minutes, 36 seconds more than your regular arguments.
Because of their,
I have the bad habit of noting down the time.
oh, I see. Next time I'll make sure, Malas.
So we will give him 10 minutes. Only if he says anything which he has repeated, we will not permit. You can be rest assured. You can be also here. Right?
Up to you. Up to you.
All. Heard.
It should not stretch beyond 10, Malas, because Malas, my learned friend is very persuasive.
We'll take care.
If you
It starts with K, it always saying so.
Let's see Kapil Sibal, learned senior counsel appearing for question. The reply arguments are here. The Solicitor General, Monday, 2 o'clock.
obliged.
And I think Tuesday or Wednesday we will see those videos.
Yeah,
So we'll have to make arrangements here itself.
sure.
We have kept it in a sealed cover, this also. We'll open it, see it, and if required, if you find any doubt, or if there is anything which we may want to clarify from either of
Yes,
you, we'll come back.
All I'm saying is, Malas, when your lordship watches the video, any change in the video will be reflected in the video itself, because it will reflect the time when the change was made, what was added or what was deleted. Just note that.
Thumbnail is only title.
Usually we only the
Malas,
title.
please explain it to you.
It's only the title given by the person who uploads the video.
No, no.
It's not necessary
Let
that.
me explain. Just explain.
Yeah, please.
Lordship, Mr. Wangchuk met with the legal counsel yesterday and explained exactly what happened. He said that on 29 September, the DIG came with a laptop, inserted the pen drive in the laptop. And when we insert a pen drive in the laptop, the folders in the pen drive can be seen as thumbnails.
Yes.
That is all he got to see. And he said that the 40-minute videography will be evidence of that, because the videography will show that if any...
No, the files will pop up.
Yeah.
So you'll have to go to that file to open that file.
Exactly.
So that was not done.
Yes,
That is according to you.
it is his case that no video was opened during those 40 minutes, only the thumbnails.
Do you say so before the DIG who showed it to you?
No, that's can come now, Malas, that the DIG showed it in the counter.
No, in the when the DIG said, he inserted the pen drive in your presence.
Yes, Your Lordship.
He opened up.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So the number of files, there may
Yes,
be, it is called normally C drives. So it will show 10 or 12 or 13, whatever it is, whatsoever it
Yes,
contains.
Your Lordship.
The 13 drives,
Yes, Your Lordship.
suppose you want to see one may be photos, one may be video, one may be script.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you'll have to go to each drive
Yes, Your Lordship.
to open that drive.
Yes, Your Lordship. It,
Correct?
It was not done, is what the
According to that was not done.
according to the detainee. And
So how much time this was done according to
during the
according to the detainee?
according to the detainee, the 40-minute videography will show that since no video was played, because you can hear the video if it's played in the videography. He's saying that the videography is proof that none of the thumbnails were actually clicked. Because if they were clicked, there would be noise or sound to the video that would be recorded in the 40 minutes.
No, did you tell the DIG who showed it to you that you are not showing the videos?
Let me answer that, Mullah. That's not the job, Mullah, of the detainee.
No, did you ask?
No, I don't have to ask, Mullah. But
That is secondary. You come to that.
yes.
Did you ask? Whether you should ask or not, that is secondary.
Your Lordship, I was supplied the 29th September video. And at that point, because of how distressed I was, I just took the video. And I thought, all right, actually.
No, ask her not to disturb.
Please do not disturb.
Let her explain it. If you want, you can ask her and then again tell her.
Yes, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, on 29th September, when the pen drive was provided to us, in that state of distress, I was just arrested. I was shown the thumbnails and I was given the pen drive. I assumed that eventually on some day I will get the laptop and I'll get to see it. Also, the folders in the pen drive.
We understood.
Yes,
We
Your
understood. All right.
Yes.
Equally, let me clarify, equally more important is, this video was shown and the conversation between the DIG and the detainee, that will show light on everything. Whereas DIG himself asked, are you satisfied with this one? Are you satisfied with that? And he answers, yes. That is there in the video, that conversation. That conversation is more important.
After having seen the video.
Yes,
Then,
yes. That is more important.
no,
Yeah.
one second.
Yes.
That this entire what was being shown was
Yes.
being recorded.
Yes.
in the pen-
Yes,
pen drive.
yes. That conversation is there.
In that event, that recording would also show what is reflected on the screen.
Yes,
Yes, from here, from the other angle, it was recorded.
Yes. Naturally.
So the conversation you can make out from the conversation. Very clearly you can make out from the conversation.
No.
What is being shown?
He's right.
How he has answered.
You may make out of the conversation, but the fact that the video was played will be recorded. But it is not recorded.
Video which is available in the pen drive reflected on the screen of the laptop being shown to the detainee.
No.
Will be recorded.
They are sitting side by side.
All right.
From the front it was clipped and the conversation is recorded. And there he was informed, yes, have you this one? Is it correct or anything? Everything he asked him. He said yes. That the kindly see, I
All
will
right.
give you the
We'll go
conversation.
through, that is why we said we'll go through that. We'll get the
Yes.
proof of that.
And DIG describes everything to him. That
This
accept,
is
yes, accept.
irrelevant.
Yes.
You have to give him the document.
Now it's a different story. Oh, we'll explain. We'll
It's
explain.
not different. That is
We'll explain.
that has been his contention throughout from the beginning.
Yes.
We'll see.
Yes.
We'll look into it and we'll.
We'll do that. That pen drive also is required to be submitted or that
Yes.
40 minutes?
Yes.
40 minutes. Yes. 40 minutes.
40
We're
minutes.
adding that, madam.